IBM is out with software to help people understand how their emails come across. So you can help clarify your email's tone without an emoji. Hey everybody, it's Carrie with Buzz60. IBM says its Watson Tone Analyzer tool looks at an email's emotion, social propensities, and writing style, then makes suggestions on how to make it either happier or angrier. I decided to test it on some celebrity tweets. In this Taylor Swift tweet about weather-related concert delays, the program suggests death as an agreeable way to replace going. Nothing more agreeable than death. Justin Bieber. Congrats to my honeymoon crew. Good people. The program has options in the realm of agreeableness for the Biebs, but I'm guessing enemy isn't a good synonym for people. Jim Gaffigan. There are 37 delicious cupcakes in the next room, but I'm not even obsessing on them. I've drawn pictures on them, but I'm not obsessed. 2 negative words identified, obsessed and obsessing. Wait, are these negative words? We're talking about cupcakes. The program offers the word controlled as an option. The Tone Analyzer is obviously an important tool if you're obsessed with perfect work emails. No, wait, I mean controlled. Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.